We are now going to read the article called An Atom Apart. Have you ever walked through a cloud of gnats on a hot summer, only to have them follow you? No matter how you swat at them, or even if you run, they won't leave you alone. If so, then you have something in common with an atom. Atoms are the building blocks of molecules. When combined, make up everything, from the smallest one-celled amoeba to every person who has ever lived. To the largest and brightest stars in the sky, atoms are everywhere. Even way back in the time of ancient Greece, they wondered about atoms. There was the word, that's where the word comes from, ancient Greece. The word atomos, when translated into English, means something that cannot be divided any further. So what's an atom look like? Up until very recently, no one could say one way or another. Technically, we can't see individual atoms since there are no microscopes powerful enough. Since technology improves all the time, it may not be long before we can actually see a whole atom through a special microscope. Even though scientists cannot see atoms with microscopes, they have developed ways to detect them and learn about them. Atoms are made up of three basic parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. There is a core, or nucleus, and an electron cloud. The nucleus is made up of positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. The nucleus is held closely together by electromagnetic force. The negatively charged electrons are bound to the nucleus and zap around it in a cloud. Do you remember the cloud of gnats? The gnats would be the electrons zipping around you, the nucleus. There are different ways atoms are classified. They can be classified into elements like oxygen, carbon, or hydrogen. All of the elements known to man so far can be found on the periodic table. The number of protons an atom has decides the chemical element. The number of electrons defines the atom's chemical properties, like its melting, temperature, and boiling point. The study of atoms and tiny particles that are even smaller is called quantum mechanics. Scientists still have much to learn about atoms. Maybe you will enter the study of quantum mechanics and find a brand new element. Maybe they'll even name it after you.